Welcome everyone, this is Ashish. Hope you all are doing great. Guys, I have created 3 days Openstack operational package which is totally based on live production environment. Guys, these 3 days course will ensure you 100% to get job on Openstack Cloud. Okay, now let's explore these 3 days course together. On day 1, we will run list of OpenStack commands that will ensure you whether the OpenStack services are running perfectly or not, if there is any issue in the service status, if the services are in active state or in the running state. And we'll also run commands on OpenStack node, like we will list out the users, catalog, images, and then we will list out flavors, volume, project, key pair, security group, availability zone, network list, subnet, network, port, role, wish list, and then OpenStack server list to get it the server informations. In day 2, we will create resource of OpenStack like images, we'll create volume, we will create project, we will create flavor, we will create network, we will create subnet, then we will create role, we will create key pair, and finally we will create servers by using the above resources, right? And then after we will also show you how we can check servers using wish list, and we will connect the application or the VM using wish list. Okay, and then after I will show you alias, how you can create alias for OpenStack. And finally on day 3, which is the final day of OpenStack operation, which will help you to walk through Horizon GUI, in which I will show you how you can create image, flavor, network, subnet, security group, availability zone, key pair, server, user creation, role creation, project creation using graphical user interface. So whatever we have performed in CLI in day 2, same we will perform using Horizon dashboard, that is graphical user interface. This OpenStack course will gonna help you 100% to get a job in OpenStack Cloud. Guys, good luck and meet you in day 1 of this OpenStack series.